welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna make a mixed vegetable with bacon. So heat up the frying pan. Put maybe 1 tablespoon of oil. And then add 2 strips of bacon. Meanwhile, I've taken the 500 milligrams of mixed frozen vegetable, beans, corn and carrot. I cooked in microwave for 10 minutes. It was frozen, so it took 10 minutes to cook. Now after I fry up this bacon, I'm going to put this. You need some pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of oregano. You can see it's all brown now, so I'm going to add the vegetables. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of oregano. Usually I just crush it with my hands. And then some pepper. Half a teaspoon should do it. But I have a pepper grinder, so I'm going to grind some of it. And then cook for probably 3-4 minutes. And it'll be done. Delicious. If you like, you can add some more salt. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe my channel and share my recipes. Try it out and let me know in the comments how this is. Take care. Bye.